Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. How to fix app installation failed error 0xC00CE224 in Windows 11 and 10. So guys, I tell you how to fix this problem. Firstly, you check your Windows update. Click to start button, click to setting, and then click to update and security, and then please check your system have up to date. All install and then restart and then check. Click to install and then restart your system, then check. Then showing again this problem, so I guide you the second way. I have more than ways so solve this problem. Then close. Then guys, I have second option. Click to start button and type Microsoft Store, otherwise you type store, only type store and showing Microsoft Store. Then click to open, then click to library and get update. Third way, then I give you third way. So this is showing tick, so this is up to date all app. Then guys, click again start button and type service and right click to run as administrator and Windows update, press V and Windows update. Now it's working. You can so you click to stop and then apply OK and then close. Next step. So guys, then Windows R, I want to see // software, then click to OK. Now open this, so select all and then delete. So do this all item and continue and then close. Again open service, right click to run as administrator and then again come to Windows update and then start. Sorry, you can select automatically and then start and then apply and OK. Next way guys, this is click to start button, go to setting and then click to app and feature and search to Microsoft Store and then more option. Scroll down, first you click reset and then click to repair and then click to repair. Then guys, all tick, so you can close. Then guys, Windows again R and paste percentage local app data and then OK. Now show all files, showing all software files, so you can delete, otherwise you just delete to Microsoft and save delete. Yes. Okay guys, so do you want to skip? Then skip all items. So guys, you do this all step and 100% your problem is solved. Like this is 0xC00CE224. So guys, thank you.